Yeah, I want to repeat again. Yeah, the typing, yeah, the purpose of typing tujuannya adalah improve typing skill using keyboard from typing.com. Yeah, I hope every student can type. Use 10 fingers, don't 11 fingers. This one. Ini 11 jari namanya. So I hope every student can type with 10 fingers. Ya, 10 jari. Itu tujuannya. Oke, student. Please finish your computer project. Deadline is on Friday 4 March. Ya, this Friday ya, kid. Jadi I hope every student can finish your typing this Friday ya. And students, the typing is not hard. Only 1 minute.
60 menit tambah 60 menit.
Okay, I will continue to the next slide.
Tapi
Ya.
tadi I buka typing, Sir, nggak ada, Sir.
Okay, letter Johnson, letter I show to you. Ya, okay. Ada nanti. Ya. Correct sitting posture while typing. Ya, I believe you still remember this one. I ever explain about this. The first time we use typing, pertama sekali kita menggunakan typing, Sir John udah jelaskan ini. Do you still remember, Winston? Forget. Okay. Lionel, did you still remember this one? Pernah nggak saya ajarkan ini? Ever? Ever ya? Evelyn?
Ever, sir.
Ever ya? Okay, ever. Okay. Student, the right correct is this one ya, the correct sitting. Ya, don't like this. Jangan terlalu tunduk. Ya, itu nggak bagus untuk menggunakan komputer atau laptop. Okay, we continue. Yeah, the way to open your typing, open your browser. Yeah, I believe every student, yeah, some of you, most of you, kebanyakan dari kalian already, yeah, ever login to typing. Yeah, like Adelia, yeah, you always complete your assignment typing, yeah. I believe you already know about this one. Ya, why Sir John explain again about this one? Kenapa Sir John jelaskan lagi tentang ini? Because your computer project in typing. Maybe some student, ada beberapa siswa never login atau forget how to login to typing. Karena satu-satunya jalan untuk can do your computer project harus login ke typing.com. If you don't login, cannot do your computer project. Yeah, so that's why I explain again about this one. Okay, and then after you open your browser, type typing.com. Ketik seperti ini, kid. You can open your browser like Google. Can also like Chrome. Can also like Mozilla. Or can also like UC browser. Up to you. Browser apa saja yang kamu punya, ya, open it, boleh. And then type typing.com. Ya, typing.com. Ya, after that, don't use this. Don't use this one. Why? Because you are not the teacher. You asked to. So use this one. Choose this one. Winston, choose this one. Student login. Don't use this. Jangan yang ditulis sign up, tapi use this. Student login. After that, yeah, type your username here. Adelia, what is your username? Pluto IB -1. Winston, what is your username? Oh. Okay, look at this. If you forget your username, you can see here, or you can check me directly. Adelia, Pluto IB1. Aaron, yeah, you can see here. You can read here. Christian, Pluto IB4. Mumtaz, Pluto IB6. Yeah. Student, you must know this one. Don't use the other username. Jangan gunakan username yang lain. If you use that, later typing kamu nilainya nggak akan masuk ke kelas virtual Serjuan. Yeah, and then here, Winston, this one, Pluto IB. Winston, you read this? Pluto IB 22. Password same all. Sama semua kan Adelia? Pluto. Passwordnya semua sama Pluto, tapi username yang berbeda. Ingat Pluto IB 22. Okay, after that, if you already know your username, ketik di sini, and then click next. Click next, kid. After that, you type password. What is password just now? Pluto. And then click next. Ya, setelah diketik Pluto, click next. Ya, after that, click next. Ya, di sini tadi next. Iya, student. I want to know, Sir Juan want to know, who have open now typing? Siapa yang buka typing sekarang and you see this one? Who? I want to know.
Tadi udah dibuka, Sir. Ada, Sir.
Ada. Haikal have?
Ada, Sir.
Okay, good. Quiz again, siapa lagi? Only Haikal? Okay.
Ini, Sir. I overlihat.
Have, Sir.
Okay, good. Sarah, okay. The other student later after school, after school, open your typing. Yeah, if you open your typing, login with your username and password. I believe you already see this one. You will see this one directly. Kamu akan lihat ini secara langsung nanti. Langsung terbuka dia. If you already see,
Sir, ada.
already. Okay, but don't start first ya. Jangan dimulai dulu. Haikal, later after school you can start. Karena supaya lebih fokus later ya. Oke, you click this one, kamu klik nanti ini kit, nanti akan langsung mulai typing. Oke, after 1 minute, itu 1 menit aja kit. You type 1 minute, nanti 1 minute close, terclose kit. Terus
Habis itu udah,
automatic
Sir.
nih.
Gitu aja projectnya.
Iya, only that. Ya. Jadi kit perhatikan. Setelah 1 menit, you see your speed. In here,
Udah 1 menit langsung siap, Sir.
iya, langsung close dan langsung menampilkan nilai skor. Like this one.
Itu
Seperti ini.
maksudnya kan, Sir, itu kalau pas 1 menit kan, Sir.
Iya, maksudnya memang typing itu hanya diberi 1 menit. Habis itu langsung dia tertutup, langsung menampilkan nilai. Dan speednya di situ ada, akurasinya di situ ada. You know speed? Ya, speed
Kecepatan,
itu
Sir.
kecepatan. If you type faster, lebih cepat, you get high here score. Nilainya akan semakin tinggi.
Boleh dikerjakan sekarang, Sir.
Wait, nanti dulu Haikal supaya paham.
Oke, Sir.
And akurasi kit 96. Di sini contoh. Kalau kamu sering salah mengetik, maka nilai akurasinya rendah. Tapi kalau sedikit salahnya, maka akurasinya tinggi. Ya. Perhatikan di sini kit. This is very important. Perhatikan ini. This assignment for 1 minute only. 1 menit. Tetapi, but you can repeat until 10 times. And Sir Juan will take the highest score from them. Understand di sini maksudnya? Ya. You boleh mengulangi sampai 10 kali. Kan tadi pertama, 1 menit, close. Nampak nilainya, skor. Oh, masih rendah. I want to repeat supaya menaikkan nilainya, supaya speednya lebih tinggi, supaya akurasinya lebih tinggi. Boleh diulangi sampai 10 kali. And don't worry. Maksudnya begini. Yang pertama dapat nilai 30. Nanti yang kedua malah makin rendah. Nggak maulah. Jangan. Mau kedua lebih rendah, ketiga nanti lebih tinggi, keempat lebih tinggi, itu nggak masalah. Ya, tetap Sir Juan ambil nilai yang tertinggi. Oke. That maksudnya ini, Kid. Ya, paham ini di sini, Kid? Understand, Johnson, Haikal, Sarah? Understand? The other student?
Understand, sir.
Got it, sir.
Okay, we continue.
Cuman boleh sampai 10 kali kan, Sir?
Ya, 10 kali, diulangi boleh. Pertanyaannya, so how to repeat? Bagaimana cara mengulanginya? Because later, if you open your typing again, kalau sudah tadi diketik yang seperti ini tadi, Kid, kalau sudah dibuka yang ini, ya udah kamu klik ini, nanti yang the second time, you don't see this again. Kamu nggak akan lihat yang gini lagi, Kid. Nggak lihat lagi yang ini, yang kedua kali. So how to repeat? Bagaimana caranya? Ya, login lagi boleh. Atau kamu klik ini, go back. Go back, kembali, and then choose this. Ah, ini important ini. Choose bagian test. Don't choose lesson. Lesson ini untuk yang kalian sehari-hari ketik. Tapi use this, choose test. After you choose test, klik yang 1 minute test. Don't 3 minute atau 5 minute karena kita sudah buat, kita pilih yang 1 minute. After this, klik start. Maka kamu akan langsung memulai lagi yang kedua kali. Nanti ulangi terus sampai 10 kali. Ya, ya, like this one. Sir Juan can see your typing history. Historinya bisa Sir Juan lihat. I will take the highest score from your typing. The example, 18 January at 11:53, jam 11:53. Ini 11:44. Speednya 53, di sini 51, ini 98, 96. Jadi kalau dari sini contohnya 2 kali kalian buat, nanti kalau 10 kali di sini kelihatan sampai 10, Sir Juan will take the highest. Jadi yang di sini di mana, Kid? Which one I take? Yang mana?
The first one, sir.
Yang ini ya. Iya, I will take.
Yes.
Ya, because this is 53 and 98. Ya. Iya, ini nilainya, Kid. Sir Juan, if you get speed equal greater than 25 dan akurasinya 91 and 100, kamu akan mendapat nilai di sini di antara 91 dan 100. If you here, jika kamu di bagian ini, maka you get score A. If you are here, di sini dapat skor D. In here C. In here D. Ya. So you know, kamu bisa langsung, you know directly. Kamu bisa tahu langsung nilai proyek kalian. Lihat aja di situ. Oh, saya dapat speednya 26. Akurasinya 92. Oh, saya dapat nilai E. Saya masih dapat nilai 24. Speednya 24, akurasinya 91, masih B. Berarti speednya saya naikkan lagi, harus lebih cepat lagi, supaya dapat 25, supaya dapat nilai. Understand? Understand, kid? You at home?
Understand, sir.
Okay, thank you. Iya, sir, I don't have laptop. Sir, I don't have computer. Sir, I don't have smartphone. Sir, I don't have Android. Sir, I don't have Wi-Fi. I cannot connect to internet, sir. Iya, ada yang seperti itu, Kid? Have? Ya, mana tahu ada yang seperti itu. Ya, you can choose this project without computer. Jadi ini hanya untuk yang tidak mengerjakan dengan typing. You draw this one on picture. Ya, draw this picture on paper as good as possible, and don't forget to submit to school. Tapi Sir Juan we hope ya, kita berharap semua, all of you, every student can do your typing in typing.com. So you don't do this one. Karena nilainya itu pun akan lebih tinggi yang menggunakan komputer atau laptop. Ya, Sir Juan also student, I want to remind you, Sir Juan juga akan menilai dari keseharian kalian di typing.com. Kalau typing.com-nya always complete, ya, yang sehari-hari itu yang one box every week, setiap minggunya satu kotak, itu juga akan terlihat juga. If always complete, itu bisa menjadi nilai tambahan buat project kalian. Oke. I want to give example for you. Ya, Serjuan coba login sebagai student post ya. Student post. Ya, student. Oke, example. Like this. Kita buka open browser, typing.com. Ya, typing.com, enter. Ya. I choose which one? Student login ya. I choose this one, student login. Oke, Serjuan lihat dulu di Pluto IB yang mana Serjuan? Oh ya, ini Pluto IB Serjuan, username-nya ya Pluto IB 25 ya, Pluto IB 25 and password 25. Oke, ini Serjuan ya, Pluto IB 25. Next, and password Pluto ya, same ya, password Pluto. Oke, next, login ya, masukkan. Iya, automatically. Like Haikal ya, Haikal, you have see this one also ya.
Yes, sir.
Iya, computer project in typing.com grade 5. Later Adelia, Winston at home, if you open your typing, you see this one also. Jadi yang pertama kali dia langsung nampak. Kelihatan seperti ini. After that you click this one. Klik start. Klik start. Dia langsung mengetik.
To begin.
Ya.
A.
Langsung dia mengetik ya.
7.
Langsung diarahkan mengetik.
Unusable. Oops. C. Oops. 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 R. Oops. 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 Nearly. 9.
Ya, ini 1 minute langsung terclose dia klik. Automatically.
Oops. You. Oops. You type E. A. Oops. Oops.
Ya, ini
A. E. Oops. 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 Congratulations.
look at that.
You have completed this typing test.
Otomatis dia langsung
You spent 60 seconds, and your speed averaged 59 words per minute with 97% accuracy.
automatically
L.
terclose dia klik.
To type the L key,
Oh, Serjuan, I want to increase. Mau menaikkan speednya. I want to increase my accuracy. Can. Ya, you can click this one. Go back. Ini yang pertama masih ya. Kita go back mau kedua kali. Ya. In here, don't choose this, tapi choose test. Choose this one. Choose test. Choose test. And then click start. Yang 1 minute. Start test ya. Start test yang 1 minute. Ya, ini berarti yang kedua.
to begin,
Ya,
type the I. Oops. Oops. A. Oops. 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 I. Oops. Oops. You typed R. Type the O. Key to type the O. E. Oops. Oops. T. S. Oops. Oops. I. Oops. D. N. Oops. Oops. Has. Oops. Oops. 2. Comma. Oops. Oops. Mice. Oops. Oops. Congratulations.
ya.
You have completed this typing test. You spent
57,
60 seconds,
masih sama.
and your speed averaged 57
Akurasinya
words per
menurun.
minute with
It's okay, no problem.
94%
You can try
accuracy.
again until
L.
10 times.
To type the L key.
Oh, Sir Juan tired. I don't want to repeat again. I want to continue. I want to repeat again tonight or tomorrow. Can? Can. Ya, you can close. Contohnya, close. Ya, close ya. Oh, ini udah besoknya nih, udah besoknya. I want to repeat lah, udah nggak capek lagi, udah segar, udah fresh ya. I want to repeat my typing.com. Oke, buka browser, typing. Ya, sorry. Oke. Ya, student login. Just now, terjuan Pluto. IB 25. Next. Yeah, and then Pluto. Yeah, next. Okay. Yeah, and then choose this one. Yeah, choose this. Yeah, test, and then start test this. Yeah, so we can read
To
it
begin,
again. Yeah,
type the word when. E. Your. Oops, oops. Oops. Age. Helps. S. T. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. S. Oops.
X-nya beda-beda ya, Kit?
Space.
Beda-beda dia.
G. Is. Oops. O. C. M. Oops. A. Oops. Congratulations, you have completed this typing test. You spent 60 seconds,
Ya,
and your
akurasi
speed averaged 65 words per
Ya,
minute
jadi
with
kamu repeat
97%
until 10
accuracy.
times. Terjuan will take the
S.
highest score.
To type the S
Okay, that's
key.
about typing. Question, student? You at home
No, sir.
understand how to do your computer project?
Understand, sir.
Phone. Use phone boleh nggak, Kid? Use smartphone atau Android? Can? Ya, can. But apa problemnya? If use phone. Problemnya, kamu mengetiknya pasti tidak bisa cepat. Why? Because the key too small. Ya kan? Too small. Karena keyboardnya kecil sekali. But if you use keyboard kan bisa sesuai. Ya. Jadi that the question from your friend, can use smartphone atau Android? Can. Hah? Iya, kalau keyboard udah terbiasa, makanya bagus menggunakan keyboard. Okay, have question again? Okay, now I give to Haikal. Coba Haikal, I give remote for you. Coba kamu repeat from here. Contohnya kamu mau mengulangi the second time. Pakai semuanya serjuan. Oke, please. Coba seolah-olah kamu ini mau mengulangi yang ketiga kali. Oke, coba. How to do?
To do apanya, Sir? Assignment.
Untuk mengulangi komputer project-nya. Tadi kan sudah 2 kali. Yang serjuan tunjukkan 3 kali ya. This is the fourth, yang keempat. Coba. Bagaimana caranya?
Diulangi lagi.
Iya, ulangi. Menggunakan username serjuan aja. Oke, please. Atau you already, kamu udah kerjakan? You already start the first? Pertama sudah dikerjakan, Haikal?
Belum.
Oke, just use this one, my laptop. Coba.
Cara mengerjakannya kan, Sir, yang
Iya.
segmennya.
Cara mengerjakan.
Sir.
Coba buka new one, buka yang baru, new browser, Haikal.
Buka browser dulu, Sir.
Ya, please this do. Kan Master Juan give remote for you. Oke, coba di admit ini, admit.
Ya, Sir.
Admit Haikal, itu si Oswald. Oh, udah saya aja. Oke, you open new one. Coba buka yang baru di sini Haikal. Open new. This.
Ada, Sir.
New tab.
Ready, Sir?
No, in here. Why? In my laptop. Ya, open. New tab, new tab.
Nggak bisa kalau buka, Sir.
Oke, not ya. Agak mungkin jaringan ya. Oke, ready. Close. Don't move your mouse. Don't you move your mouse, close. Ready, Haikal? Ready? Jangan digeser dulu mouse-nya. I want to stop. Oke. Baik, Kid. I want to repeat again. Ya, open your browser ya, buka browsernya. Typing. Student login. Student login. Ini untuk mengulangi yang kedua kali ya. Ya, Pluto IB 25 and then next. Ya, ini kalau untuk mengulangi ya, Kid. If you want to repeat and then Pluto, ya, next. Ya, already login to your username, udah masuk. Choose test. Choose test this one. Ya, choose test and then klik start test. Udah diklik start testnya, kamu bisa langsung mengetik. Ya, itu cara mengulangi sampai 10 kali. Oke? Ya, I think easy, Kid. Jadi computer project your computer project ini tidak terlalu sulit and not need long time. Only 1 minute. And then repeat again, 1 minute again, repeat again, 1 minute again until 10 times. Yeah, I believe that not hard for you. Yeah, understand, Steve? This class, Winston, Adelia? You are at home, understand? Understand? Okay. I think enough for today, kid. We have 1 minute more. Yeah, we want to pray. Pichi, lead the prayer. We want to go home.
Okay, sir. Ready to pray, everyone. Dear God, thank you for today. We have finished study. Please bless everyone. Thank you, God. Amen.
Okay, thank you, student. I remind you again, don't forget to do your computer project. Okay, keep spirit, keep healthy. Nice to see you again. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir. Thank you.